I'm just gonna say to you, Mark Domingo Cruz, do not say bad words. You know why does Luis Cabales had already blocked you in Facebook? Why does Luis Cabales criticize you? You're saying bad words. Oh, you know Mark Domingo Cruz. Ah, and shout out anyway. I forgive Shania Kiana. I removed Shania Kiana in my enemy list, but for her, I already forgiven her. Oh, that she will never do that again to Jerick Silva. Oh, at least Shania Kiana learned her consequence. What about you, Mark Domingo Cruz? Your consequences was you're saying bad words, even to Jerick Silva, even to me, even to Kuya Dan Mardayaw. You're saying bad words. When are you gonna stop saying bad words, Mark Domingo Cruz? Ha? When? When are you gonna stop cursing anybody when you're saying bad words? Don't you even know you were in Christianity in Laguna, in Santa Rosa, Laguna? Is this what you like to say bad words? That's why Tero Francisco is literally angry at you because you're saying bad words. That's why Christian Mingito distrusted you. You're saying you're saying a foul languages. You're saying a bad words. First of all, Mark Cruz, you call me a F word. You call me an asshole. You call me a fuck you. Oh, it's really a bad word. You know, Mark Cruz, huh? You don't even know how to use social media. You don't really know what you're doing and you're saying bad words. When are you gonna stop saying bad words, Mark Cruz? Huh? When? Even me, I was very offended with your foul languages. You know what, Mark Cruz? You need to limit your bad words, ha? I had enough of your bad words. You're just like similar of Paulo Cruzada. You and Paulo Cruzada hack Shania Kiana's account. It was you, Mark Cruz. Mark Domingo Cruz. Paulo Cruzada, both of you are responsible who hack the Facebook account of Shania Kiana. And you know, Mark Cruz, you're the one who hacked the account of Dan Mardayaw to ruin Cedric Mariano. Oh, is this what you like, Danmar? Not Danmar, I mean Mark Cruz, sorry. Mark Cruz, huh? Is this what you like, Mark Cruz? That's why Dan Mardayaw really hates you. Because you're saying bad words. Oh. Juan Carlo Pabale, he really hates you more. And you're saying bad words. When I'm just gonna say to you, Mark Domingo Cruz, enough of your saying bad words. If Sam Rascal wants to fall in love with you, if you want Sam Rascal to visit in your house in Laguna, then you need to stop with your bad words. And you're the one who started this, Mark Cruz. That's why Roylan Marlang doesn't like your bad words. When did you get those bad words anyway, Mark Cruz? Where? You know, I'm just gonna say to you, the mother of Mark Cruz, lecture your son. Yes, it's not right thing to say bad words in social media. I'm not saying bad words anyway, Mark Cruz. Oh, Do you know my former friend David Gill says, when you say a bad words, you should never say a bad words if you're a Christian. Mark Domingo Cruz, if I were you, do not say bad words. Huwag ka na magmura, Mark Cruz. Puro ka kasi mura. Like I said, everyone, Mark Cruz, I'm not saying bad words too, You're just like similar of Klaus. You're the one who's responsible, Mark Cruz, for ruining reputation of Dan Mardayaw. You're the one who hacked Facebook account of Shania Kiana. You and Paulo Cruzada, Mark Cruz. That's why Tera Francisco really hates you, Mark Cruz. That's why all the ASP really hates you. Even Brainerd Tabiji, Ronald Rebena. You're saying a bad words. Oh. This is what you like to say, a foul languages? Is this what you like? Do you say a curse word? Mark Cruz, I'm not saying bad words, At least look at Teacher Gia Malana. He limit his own bad words. Me, I limit my bad words too. Oh. But not in social media. Mark Cruz, anyway, if I were you, show a little respect to anyone. If you're a Christian, then you have to show a respect. And here's my warning to you, Mark Cruz. You need to stop with your bad words.